Yeah, good everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to design a or how will I say it? How to design an e-commerce website. So I'm going to teach you how to design an e-commerce website. So the first thing first, we just install our WordPress. So now what is next we are going to do as I've all taught you guys, those that have been following, you first go and set your permalink. Go to permalink and set it to what? To post name is very important. So you set it to post name and you will save it. Please ensure you save it. It's very important. So now the what are we going to do next? Good. Now we can do two things. Get it now. Is either we go and get a team and install it, or we can use a team and design it. So I'll prefer, let me show you another method of getting a team. um sorry, not team, template. So but these templates are not really, for me they're not really famous like that. But let me just show you. Now I'll go to appearance here and I'll click on teams. Good. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on add new. So I believe you guys should have known a team I want to install. Yeah, here it is, Astra. So I'm going to just quickly install that. So wait for it to install. So wait for it to install. So as you can see, it has been installed. The next thing you're going to do is to do what? You see this activate button here. Very simple. Just click on activate and activate it. According to the way I've taught you guys how to install Teams. Then the next thing you're going to do is you'll go to plugins and click on add new. Now I'm going to install some very special plugin. There's a plugin called Astra Pro and there's a plugin called Astra Premium Templates. So I'm going to install those two. So those versions are the paid version of Astra. They're like the premium version of Astra Team. So but these ones are plugin actually. So I'll go to my plugins and I'm going to do what? I have the file on my device here. So I'll just where is it? Okay, here is it. Here it is. So I'm going to do Astra Pro add-ons. So I'm going to quickly install that, and I'm going to install, what do we call it, Astra Premium template. Astra Premium template basically allows us, it's not actually compulsory to get that. You can actually install the normal Astra template, but the reason why we're getting the Astra templates is basically that we might, there are some templates that we will check that it is actually premium, and for us to be able to install this type of templates we have to have the premium version of Astra. So that's why I'm actually doing this, because we need a premium version of Astra to be able to do all this. So now I'll click on activate. So activate the Astra Pro add-on. Then I'll go back again to add new. Then I'll go to upload. Then I'll go and upload was the second version. So I'm going to upload the Astra Premium site. So that's it. So that's it. I'm going to upload for now. So the remaining will be uploaded for us by Astra. Don't worry about that one. So just follow my method and you'll be safe. So we're waiting for this one to install. So as you all know, let me go to the front end of my website. This is the front end right here. So here's how my front end look like. Nothing. There's nothing on it. You can see there's nothing on it, right? So let me activate this one. Good. Now what are we going to do next? You're going to come to appearance here. And you come to what? Starter template. You click on starter templates. Remember, we're designing a WooCommerce website. Don't forget, you're designing a what? A WooCommerce website, a shop website. You get it now. So you can do different type of shop. So I'm just only teaching you this method. You can do this different type of shop website. So I'm just actually teaching you this method because I want you to know how to install template and other different ways. So you can do this and you can just go and get a team and you just import the theme and install the demo. Start just it. So now the next thing I'm going to do here is I'll go to build websites. So I want to use Elementor. So I'm going to click on Elementor. So to bring out those templates under Elementor, as you can see, we have this. I don't want this. Okay, let me come to e-commerce here. Okay, good. We have this, we have this here. So basically, let me scroll down. Okay. So basically, I have different type of templates basically. So let me see this one. Um. Okay. Let me see. You can see there are a lot of this thing here, there are a lot of templates here. But I'm looking for the one that is fine in my own eye. eh, that it is fine in my own eye that I like. eh. So I think that's I didn't even change my mind now. I don't really see anyone that is really fan moral side here. That's really mind blowing, right? I don't really see. This is what I'm going to do. So let's just go back. I don't really see. So basically, for those that want to install anything from here, now let's imagine I want to install I want to what do we call it? I want to I want to import this one. It's very simple. Just click on what you want to import. The button. You see it. So just continue following this step. From here, it will direct you to another place. From there, it directs you to another place. So it's just a simple process to follow. So this is how this one looks like. This is how this one, but it's too for me. It's too simple. Too simple. It's too simple. So it's simple. So for me, so let me just click on back. So for you, you just upload your own image, then you just what skip and continue. But me, I'm going to go back. I don't want it. So sorry for that, guys. So I'm going to go and search for um e-commerce templates. So I'll go to my what do we call it? I gave you where to install team locker. Team locker. So I'll go there to go and install my team, or call it team lock, not team locker. So this is it. You come to WordPress here. Yeah, wood team. Wood team. Wood teams means WooCommerce team. That's the meaning. For those that don't understand. So I can just write WooCommerce. Let's imagine that in my own store I want to be selling um let's say I want to be selling electronic devices like all these electronic shop. So let's imagine that. Let me just type WooCommerce shop. So these are what they brought out for us. So these are what they brought out. So anyone you want to use there, no problem. You can proceed. Get it now. You can do what? You can proceed. But what I just believe I'm going to do is this. You come to Team Forest, just the normal Team Forest, and you search for a better template. You get the name and you go and paste it there. If it's not available, we look for another one too. So you come to yeah, WooCommerce. So you can see these ones are the new ones, $18. So let me see these ones. And note the one I'm going to be choosing is one that has Elementor page builder. I'm not going to choose anyone that does not have Elementor page builder because I love to use Elementor. So and basically it is what I use. uh, so you can use anyone you want, anything you want, you can use it. But I am using Elementor page builder. So okay, let's look at this one. The problem is that only be available on that place. So we'll be previewing some of those templates. Okay, look at this one, electronic store. Let's preview that one too. So they are both loading. Okay, this one, this format right here. Okay, let's live preview it. don't need this one. Okay, for the electronic website, the one of selling electronics. So this is how our website is going to look like. It's really okay. It's nice, but it's not really famous in my own eye. So you must take something that's of quality design to your client so they can come back again. That's the main cocoa of you designing for them. Okay, it seems this one is nice, small, a little. It seems it's nice. Okay. Let me check for other templates. Let me check. Okay. Guys, I've later changed my mind. I've later changed my mind. Since I'm not using this for tutorial, not just for this thing. So you guys now to normally import templates. So you can come here and import any template you want to import. So I'm going to do it the normal Astra way that I told you before. Since I already promised I'm going to do that. So this template. So that's what I'm going to use. So let me reload this page. So I've gone back to my website though. As you see, I've deleted all those new tabs. I've deleted all the tabs. So I've gone back to my website. And this is my website that is loading. Good. So now we just have to move up. So I have to look for the one that is suitable to my taste. Then I want to use this. Uh, okay, it seems I'm going to choose this one here. Organic store. It seems this one will be famous to the eye. Since that one also be famous to the eye. That organic store. So let me see these ones too. Baby, baby store. Those ones you just must know what you are doing. Basically, that's what I can just say. Know what you want to do. Know what you want to choose. So if somebody tells you I want a fashion WooCommerce website that I want to be sending my clothes for fashion, no problem. Tell the person no wahala. You go and look for fashion template for the person and put it for the person. So you can see this one here. It's actually nice. It's okay, really. It's okay. It's actually nice. So you can see this one. This one is for baby. You can see, right? So that's just it. So I'm going to be installing this one then. I'm going to be installing this. So I don't want this tutorial to be long at all. It's a very simple process. This one, the reason I'm just actually making this tutorial is basically um for those that don't know how to use the status template on Astra. So that's why I'm teaching you how to use this method of installing templates. So let's continue. Skip, scroll down, continue. Yes, first all, yeah, okay. You can choose anyone you want. Does not really matter. That aspect does not what it does not really matter. So you can just what submit and what and start building your website. So it will take time for this thing to do. So the thing will be importing everything, every single thing on your website. So let me just pause the video and wait for the things to install. You might observe this type of error. When I was installing, I observed this type of error. What you're just going to just do is to what? Try importing again. Now what you're going to click on. Then you fill your details again. Make sure it's the same detail, oh, please. Make sure it's the same detail. So click on what submit and build. So don't worry about that one. It might still even show that same error again. So what I'm just going to do is just to do what that same process. You just want to try importing. So I'm going to wait for the remaining aspect to import. I think it is about to finish installing. Wow, guys, you can see. So good, 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 good. So it took them 1.3 minutes to build your whole website. So now all those things that we saw, that template that we saw, they've now been successfully what? Successfully imported into our what? Into our website. So let me just what? Let me just come here. Let me come here and reload. This is how our website is before. So we'll just come here and reload. So once I reload now, you see what's the miracle that will happen. Good, good, guys. You can see, right? So very, 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 very sweeting and very, very what? Very interesting. So you can see there's no stress. There's no stress. Don't stress yourself, please. There's no stress on all these things. So you can see how all this thing is going. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to do what? Is to now go to our what? Our WordPress dashboard. So let me go back to my WordPress dashboard. So I believe you guys should know how to customize this website. It's very very easy. Number one, you're easy using Elementor, and I've taught you guys how to use Elementor to edit. So you just one hand you use it to edit. The button. There's no stress. There's no stress in these things. Those are my students that I've taught you guys. So I just the reason I don't show you this is just for importing. I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce. Get now how to use WooCommerce. So now what I'm now going to do is to do what? You go to the WooCommerce aspect of your website so that the details there will be yours, not what they've imported for you. So you can see WooCommerce. You see it, right? So this is WooCommerce. Here is to what to add new products. So all these products you are seeing here, all these ones that you are seeing here, this one you are seeing here, everything just straightforward, guys. All these ones that you are seeing, where is it? Okay, let me scroll up. Okay, all this one I are seeing right here, they are all products. So if you want to add more, you can add more. If you want to remove, you can remove. Now let me go to my shop page. You will see my shop page. So my shop page is where all my products are. You see? So if I want to add, I can add. If I want to remove, I can remove. You see? These are my what? These are my what? Or what is in my what? Or what is in my shop? You see? Very easy, very simple and easy. So now, how will I set my WooCommerce? How will I do the settings? Good. You come to WooCommerce. You do what? You come to where? You come to you come to yeah, you come to the setup right here. You click on start selling. It's just on your normal dashboard. So it will take you, it will direct you to what? Just go to your normal dashboard and click on start selling. So sorry for that, guys. So these store details, these are store details. So welcome to WooCommerce. You can see. So insert your details. So just your normal details, just insert everything. So click on continue. No thanks, I'm not interested. So the next thing you're going to do is you move to industry. So what do you sell? What are you doing? I'm doing I'm doing I can choose all this. I can do all everything like this. I can do it depends on what I'm doing. So let me just select everything, Jerry. I don't like stress. So you can select everything, you cannot select one. It's your opinion. You can select everything, you cannot select one. You can continue. It depends on what you select. So yes, is a physical product. So the next one, or if you want to pay for all this one, there's no problem. If you want to pay for a WooCommerce membership, no wahala. 16.58 dollar per month, no problem. You can continue with that. Then um they'll ask you that how many products do you have planned to display? You just come here and choose 1,000 plus. Do you currently have elsewhere? No, I don't. I'm setting this for a client. Yes. If you are not setting for a client, just click no. Don't select it. It does not really matter to me. It does not really matter because it's still the same thing. Ehen. So all these ones right here, just unselect this one here. Or else they'll just start disturbing your head and don't continue. So yes, I want to continue with my active team. Good. As you can see now that you're telling me. So the next thing I'm going to do is to set up my payment method. How do I want people to pay me on my WooCommerce? So this is it here. So I'll just click on it. How do I want people to pay me for God's sake? Okay, if you have Paystack, you can just set it up right here. So you're gonna get a Paystack account. You go to Paystack. So that's what everybody's going to do. Go to paystack.com, set up your Paystack account, create a free account, and follow their steps. Look at all, there's no stress. So make sure that you have your BVN number. That's very, very important. Your BVN number, your bank details, and maybe your ID card, basically. So I don't mean your NIN paper. I mean your ID card, gone. But just check it out. You might be lucky. I think most of their this thing now, their this thing for now, their stress on those things for now already reduced. Maybe there are some things that they are soft with. I don't really know. But what I'm going to choose here is this cash on delivery and direct bank transfer. So I can just enable this and I'll just do what? Direct bank transfer. Let me go and set direct bank transfer. So as for your account name, so phone number. So this is a DT bank. So that's what save. No stress at all. There's no stress. So you see, direct bank transfer details are successfully added. So what's the next thing you are going to do? Set up tax. You are not interested in all these ones. This one, just leave it. So now I've told you where to add new product. It's right here. Add new. We'll see problem. If you want to add category, if you want to add that okay for food, I want the category to food, and in food I want so and so. This is where to do it. All these settings you just find it here. There's no problem about it. I don't need to start explaining. Because I want some things, I want you to do some things yourself. If I should explain everything for you, you guys want you to really know the work that is at the back of all these things. So now, if you want to know your total sales and your total order, use it, and this is it right here. These are your orders. So if you want to check your orders, this is it right here. So basically, these are all what I want to show you guys. So thank you guys. Okay, before I go, let me try to order for something to actually show you guys. So I click on this colorful baby right here. The fine baby, oh, and look at his mouth. Click on add to cart. Wait, that he has been added to cart. They asked me that, do you want to view cart? I said yes, I want to view cart. See, all these settings are just be done for you. It's very, very easy. Just for you to just know how to set it well. See, if I them to put naira there, everything has changed from dollar to naira. Why? Because of what when I was doing my address, I changed it to what? I changed it to what? Nigeria. Please make sure you change your address to Nigeria. I beg you. So and if you don't see those settings, if you don't see this what do you call it, this wizard that I was talking about, you can just come here to these settings here. You can come to settings right here. You see, you see all my own address, you see it right here, right? So you can come and put all your address here. All these things you can come and put it here. You want to go one code. So Nigeria, you see, so you can select your currency here and just click on save. All those things you can do it right here. So if you not see that wizard, you can just do the settings right here. So this is products, this is shipping, this is payment, this is account and privacy, this is advanced. And well, if you click all these things, you understand what I'm saying. So you just try to go through the website. So among checkouts of this new website I just designed. So let me just fill in details. So what do I want to make this street address to be? Anything. So my phone number 0704278756. So basically, please ensure that all these things are basically configured very well. So that's like even ensure say because they've actually done everything for you. What am I even saying safe? So just click on place order as a user and what voila. You can see you can see this detail address of the person. You can see. So the person is to transfer to this. You can see your account's bank details, account number. So very, very, very just sweet. You see payment method, bank transfer. We added Paystack. You'd have seen Paystack there. So the person will just pay through Paystack by inserting his card details and something like that. Because now if I should reload this page, you will see that this all that stuff here will turn to one. You just see one red button there. Okay. It seems the red button is not show, but let me go to orders. You see, you can see right. So this is the person that just ordered. That's me. It's on hold, so it has not been processed yet. So if you want to change that, you can just come to what? You can just come to this eye and you click on the eye. So once the eye, you can just what complete it, or you can do what? You can just edit it. You can just click on this. You will just edit the order, the button. You see, you can change this one from hold to what? Completed. And see your action here. All this is very, very easy. You see it. So once you carry when you are done with all these settings that is here for the person's order, for those that don't accept or don't want to begin direct bank transfer, you can just click on what? Update right here. You get it. You get it right. So there's no stress. No stress at all. So one last I need to show you guys. Now please, anytime you create your website, it's very, very good. Anytime you create a WordPress website, the first time of your installation, by the first time of accessing your backend, please come to this setting here, come to general. And there's one thing I want to show you, very, very important, please. This place here, good. If this thing is not activated, you see it's not activated, right? It now, and I just activated by myself. If this is not activated, nobody will be able to register on your website. That's the truth. And don't start coming to my DM and come to start disturbing me and asking questions. I wanna answer you because I basically stated it here. This thing is very, very important. If this is not there, nobody can register on your website. So that's just it. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. I hope to see you very soon. So just click on save changes. So thank you all. So good day everyone, and I'll see you soon in our other classes. Thank you.